Greetings to all our dear viewers watching on the channel Beautiful Bonsai. If you ever have the chance to visit exhibitions or auctions in Vietnam's bonsai market, you will surely be amazed. There are so many beautiful bonsai trees. But what's even more surprising is that many of them are priced extremely high, some worth hundreds of millions, even billions of dong. There are even masterpieces considered priceless because their owners do not sell them. They only display them to share, to exchange, and to enjoy with fellow enthusiasts. Do you know why bonsai can be so expensive? I can answer that question for you because I myself own a garden, Thuan garden, located in Bach village, Binh province. In my garden, there are many kinds of ornamental trees, some ancient bonsai that have been cultivated for decades, passed down by my father. Moreover, I am also a YouTuber who often attends exhibitions, films, photographs, and works in communication within the bonsai and ornamental tree community. Let me briefly explain my perspective so you can understand more clearly. 1. A beautiful tree takes time. Bonsai is not merely an ornamental plant, it is a living art form. To create a truly complete bonsai masterpiece requires many, many years, and above all, the creator must love trees deeply, must have genuine passion, devotion, and a spirit that connects heart and soul with the tree throughout its entire shaping process. In many cases, bonsai are crafted and nurtured through generations, from father to son, from son to grandson. Such living artworks are not only beautiful plants, they are witnesses of family history and a reflection of the art of Vietnamese bonsai itself. You might not believe it. Perhaps in your country this does not exist, but in my homeland, Binh, Vietnam, if a person has spent decades or even their entire life creating a bonsai masterpiece, then when that person passes away, their descendants may even tie mourning cloths on the tree as a gesture of gratitude and remembrance. For the tree has been cared for like a spiritual child, close, emotional, and sacred. 2. The artistic and cultural essence within the tree. In the world of international bonsai, each nation has its own standards for evaluating trees. But in Vietnam, the traditional bonsai community has long recognized 4 essential qualities that define a valuable masterpiece. Ko, ki mi vun. Ko, antiquity. It represents age, the look of an old tree, the marks of time and natural maturity. Every scar, every knot, every patch of moss covering the trunk and roots, each branch bending gracefully, all are traces of time, irreplaceable and impossible to copy. Ki, rarity. This quality expresses the tree's unique, distinctive shape, strange yet captivating, rare and impressive at first glance. It is the beauty of wonder and marvel, not the kind of strangeness that provokes fear. Mi, aesthetic beauty. This refers to artistic harmony, balance in form and mass, a sense of spatial depth and proportion, creating a visual charm that draws the eyes and stirs the heart. Vun, culture and philosophy. This is the most special element of Vietnamese bonsai art, something rarely found elsewhere. It is the humanistic spirit embodied within each creation, a reflection of philosophy, moral values, and stories about human life, about the connection between people and between humans and nature. Each bonsai can be a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. The artist combines knowledge, experience, and aesthetic sense to shape the tree, bend its branches, trim its leaves, and arrange its surroundings, with stones, water, and landscape, so that the tree becomes not only beautiful and balanced, but also carries the personal soul of its creator. Rare pieces with collectible value. In the past, when exhibitions and displays were organized, ancient and rare bonsai trees were highly valued, because they are products of the fusion between nature and human creativity. Vietnamese ancient bonsai have collectible value, like living treasures. The buyer might place the tree in a historical site, in a family ancestral hall, or display it at the front porch or garden of their home. Today, some people carefully place them in walled spaces, with attendants looking after them like an outdoor private museum. Some go even further, placing the trees atop high-rise buildings, both tending and preserving them, sometimes even fearing theft. Passion for trees and the cost of maintenance. To keep a bonsai healthy and beautiful, the artist must invest in many things: fertilizers, pesticides, soil, pots, bonsai tools, and daily care, watering, and trimming. More importantly, the artist's soul is invested in the tree. Every cut, every care, turning the tree into a priceless masterpiece, almost impossible to value with money. The spiritual and cultural value of Vietnamese bonsai. Bonsai can be seen as nature condensed into a pot. Through each piece, it teaches patience and the value of human relationships. Those who love bonsai do not see it merely as decoration or a high-value asset. They see it as a friend, a memory, and a part of traditional Vietnamese culture, expressed through profound humanistic life lessons. Of course, if a bonsai is treated as an agricultural product, it can be bought, sold, or exchanged. But if it reaches the level of true artwork, it may be impossible to purchase with ordinary money. Sometimes it requires a very, very large sum. Number 6. The commercial factor. As I mentioned earlier, if bonsai is regarded as a commodity, it is bought and sold like other products. Naturally, traders must profit to continue their business. In reality, many people have grown wealthy, buying cars, gold, building houses, through bonsai trade. They might purchase a tree for a small sum, then sell it later for a substantial profit. And especially for beautiful, rare, or unique masterpieces, entering the market can bring significant returns. This is one of the factors that contributes to bonsai's truly high prices. And these are my personal views and perspectives. Dear viewers, I would love to hear your opinions and insights as well. Please leave your comments below so we can share and exchange together. Thank you very much.